Welcome to Maths in Minutes with TMG. This is your friend, teacher TMG with a new episode. So today we are going to do this question, which is although a very easy question, but many people got the answer wrong. If you think you can do it, pause the video, give a try and see what you get. But remember, x equals to minus 1 over 2 is not the answer. Let me show you what is the right answer. There are two fractions on both sides. On left hand side you have 2x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 1 minus 3, which I can write divided by 1. So I have to use the rule of addition or subtraction of fractions. What is the rule? Let me write the rule here for you. If you have a divided by b plus c divided by d, for the denominators you time them b times d, and then for the numerator you do cross multiplication a times d plus b times c. The same rule is for minus also. If you have a over b minus c over d, what you do is the same denominators you times them bd, I time them b times d bd, and for numerators I do cross multiplication ad minus bc. So by applying the same rules, I am timing the denominator. So 1 times 2x plus 1 is same 2x plus 1, and 1 times 2x plus 6 is 2x plus 6 minus 3 times 2x plus 1. On the other hand, I do the same logic, 3 times 2x plus 1 and 5 times 3 is 15 minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Before simplifying further, I can cross out 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. If you don't know how to cancel these 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 from both sides, you can mention it in the comments. I can make another video for you. So let me simplify. 2x plus 6 minus 3 times 2 is minus 6x minus 3. On the other hand, I have 15 minus 1 times 2x is minus 2x minus 1 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 3. This 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. 6 minus 3. This 6, this minus 3 is plus 3 equals to 15 minus 1 is 14 minus 2x divided by 3. Here I can do cross multiplication, this divide by 1, do cross multiplication. I'll be getting 3 times minus 4x is minus 12x, 3 times 3 is 9 equals to 1 times 14 minus 2x is the same thing. Move this minus 2x to this side, so minus 12x plus 2x and 14 minus 9. This is minus 10x equals to 5 and x equals to divide both sides by minus 10, x equals to minus 1 over 2. But this is not the right answer. So let's see what is the right answer. Okay, now remember a rule. In case of rational functions, by rational functions I mean they should be written in the form of a divided by b. They should be written in shape of fraction. If you have rational function, you need to substitute the x value you get in the denominator. If it's making the denominator 0, this value is not including. Assume you don't have this x equals to minus 1 over 2 and you have, let's say, 2 or 3 values. Each and every value you have to substitute in the original question and you have to see which one is making the denominator 0. That will be excluded. Here you see we have a denominator 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. The third one is just a number. There is no x value, so we are not substituting here, but in these two they are same. If they are different, you have to substitute in each one, but here they are same. So I'll be just substituting this value 2x plus 1. I'll be doing 2 times minus 1 over 2, which is x value plus 1. This gives me 2 and 2 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Since the denominator is 0, if any x value is making the denominator 0, that will not be the part of the domain of that function. So x equals to minus 1 over 2 is not the solution for this set. So what is the solution? Since we got one value of x which is minus 1 over 2 and which is not the part of the domain of the function, so in this case we have no solution. If I would have two values, one of them is making the denominator 0, I'll exclude that one from the solution, but the other one will be the solution. But here, unfortunately, we have only one value and that is making the denominator 0. There is no solution for this question. The solution is basically you have to say no solution.